In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an Instagram post designed to LinkedIn post size in Figma fast. 2025 guide. We'll keep this quick and practical. By the end, you'll take an existing Instagram post in Figma, convert it to a LinkedIn-ready layout using a plugin, and export it cleanly for upload. The process has 3 parts: installing the plugin, resizing with the LinkedIn template, and doing a final review before export. First, install the Thumblisher plugin. Open Figma, head to the community, and search for Thumblisher. Select it and click Install to add it to your editor. If you don't see it right away under Plugins, try closing and reopening your file. That's all you need here. No complex setup. The plugin's goal is to speed up resizing by applying preset dimensions and smart adjustments. Next, open the Figma file containing your Instagram post and select the frame you want to resize. It's important that you select the actual frame, not just a group inside it. If your design isn't inside a frame, wrap it in one so the plugin can resize it properly. With the frame selected, go to Plugins, choose Thumblisher, and run it. In the plugin, pick the LinkedIn post size template. The plugin will resize the frame to the correct LinkedIn dimensions and automatically adjust the contents to fit. This includes shifting elements, scaling images, and reflowing text, so your layout remains balanced in its new aspect ratio. If you want to preserve your original, duplicate the frame before running the plugin so you have a side-by-side comparison. Now review and export. Scan your resized design at 100% zoom to make sure headlines aren't cut off, logos remain crisp, and important elements sit comfortably within the visual margins. Pay extra attention to text boxes that might have rewrapped and images that could benefit from slight repositioning. If anything feels tight, nudge spacing or increase line height for better legibility in the feed. Once you're happy, select the LinkedIn frame and export it from Figma as a PNG or JPG. PNG is great for graphics and text-heavy posts. JPG works well for photo-driven designs. Export at 1x for typical use, or 2x if you want extra sharpness on high-density displays. Keep the color profile to sRGB for consistent appearance across devices. That's it. Install Thumblisher, run the LinkedIn template on your Instagram frame, review the layout, and export. Follow this workflow and you'll turn square posts into LinkedIn-ready visuals in minutes without rebuilding your design from scratch.